You think the narcissist is untouchable. You think they glide through life, leaving destruction in their wake without ever facing a cost. You watch them charm, manipulate, and dominate, and it feels like nothing can touch them. But here, as the truth that will shake your perception to its core, the moment they lose an empath, everything changes. You were their power source. You were their energy, their validation, the reason they felt invincible. Your presence was a quiet permission slip for their control. Without it, they are exposed. Their carefully crafted illusions begin to crack. The sense of untouchable superiority they wore like armor starts to rust. You gave more than they could ever measure. You gave attention, understanding, patience, forgiveness, all the things they were incapable of producing themselves. They thrived on your energy, feeding off it like a parasite disguised as a partner, a friend, a confidant. And the moment you step away, the vacuum they never imagined exists swallows them slowly. You did not just leave. You withdrew life from their false empire. They may try to replace you, distract themselves, or manipulate others to fill the emptiness, but nothing will ever match what they lost. They cannot fake the depth, the insight, the soul-level connection they took for granted. And make no mistake, this loss is spiritual. It is not just an emotional inconvenience for them. The universe has a way of balancing energy, and what was once stolen begins to return to its rightful place. They will feel it in ways they cannot name. The control they thought they had over your mind, over your heart, over your very being dissolves like sand slipping through fingers. Panic, frustration, subtle desperation begins to seep into their life. Their carefully constructed walls feel shaky, because your energy, the very thing that kept them steady, is gone. They are forced to confront the emptiness they built around themselves, the hollowness they always ignored, the spiritual void they never wanted to acknowledge. You are the mirror that revealed them. You reflected what they lacked, what they could never create, what they could never sustain. And now, without you, the reflection is gone, leaving only themselves to stare back at a hollow image they cannot escape. They may act indifferent, superior, or even cruel, but deep inside, something is breaking. Something that has no words. Something that cannot be fixed with manipulation, charm, or lies. The loss is theirs. The reckoning is quiet but relentless. The shift begins now, and the power you once unknowingly gave them becomes the very thing that no longer serves them, no longer props them up, no longer fuels their false sense of control. And while they flounder in the darkness of their own creation, your life begins to reclaim its natural flow. Your energy is no longer borrowed, no longer siphoned. Your presence returns to you fully, unapologetically. And though they may never understand what they lost, the truth is simple. They are exposed, vulnerable, and spiritually unbalanced, while you are free. The spiritually. Losing an empath is a seismic event for a narcissist. It isn't just a breakup, a missed call, or a fading text thread. It is a vacuum in the core of their energy, a fracture in the very foundation they built to survive. They thrived on your presence, your compassion, your forgiveness, the light that you carried. And now that light is gone. Suddenly, the illusion of control they clung to starts to wobble. The reality they avoided, the emptiness they never dared to feel, begins to press in. It is subtle at first, a hollow feeling in the chest, a restless anxiety that doesn't go away. But soon it becomes undeniable. They feel stripped of the energy they depended on, the validation they thought they owned. Their world, which once seemed so solid, now teeters on the edge of instability. The truth is harsh and often invisible. Energy is spiritual currency, and the narcissist spent years borrowing yours without giving back a single honest coin. Every lie, every manipulation, every charm offensive was a withdrawal from the empathy account you unknowingly held. And now, without you, their overdraft is glaring. And no trick, no distraction, no shallow conquest can fill it. The emptiness cannot be patched with surface-level attention or false victories. The spiritual debt has come due, and it demands attention. They may try to distract themselves with power, status, or new relationships, but those are shallow imitations of what you gave freely, deeply, and without conditions. Here, as the brutal reality they will face, their soul feels it. They cannot see it, but they can sense the void where your energy used to flow. Nights feel longer. Decisions feel heavier. A subtle, unshakable dissatisfaction settles over every achievement they try to celebrate. They may act indifferent or angry, but inside, a quiet chaos begins to consume them. They are forced to confront the fact that they cannot replicate, manipulate, or steal the essence of an empath. That energy cannot be faked, cannot be engineered, and certainly cannot be owned. For the first time, the narcissist experiences a form of vulnerability. They are unprepared for a spiritual nakedness. And while they panic in silence, this loss starts a ripple effect. The absence of your energy forces them to examine the hollowness within themselves, the parts they ignored, the emptiness they cultivated. They are left with a choice they do not want: face it or continue spiraling in denial. The universe does, to give them a guidebook. There's no shortcut, no quick fix. The spiritual imbalance cannot be healed until they acknowledge what they took for granted. And the irony is devastating. They cannot heal without facing the very truth they have been running from all along. Meanwhile, your energy begins to return to you fully. What they used to drain now flows through you without interference. Your presence, your peace, your clarity grow stronger as theirs diminishes. Their spiritual fall begins quietly and visibly, but it is unstoppable. They will feel it in ways they cannot name, ways that no amount of charm or control can mask. The universe has a way of balancing energy, and the moment they lose an empath, the reckoning begins. Watch closely, because this is where the truth hits hardest. The narcissist thrives on your pain. That is not exaggeration. Every manipulation, every lie, every charm was calibrated to extract your energy, your forgiveness, your emotional labor. At the moment that source is gone, something they never expected happens. They are left with themselves, and the self they face is empty, hollow, and incapable of sustaining the fantasy they built around their life. The reality they avoided for so long slams into them like a wave they cannot dodge. No amount of distraction, no new conquest, no superficial victory can fill the void you left. You were irreplaceable. You were unique. You were the gravity holding their world together. And now the gravity has disappeared. Here is a truth few dare to acknowledge. They are spiritually bankrupt. They may look fine on the surface, act superior, or mock your departure as if it means nothing, but the emptiness is real. Every attempt to regain control, every shallow attempt to feel powerful, is just noise covering the ache of absence. Their soul recognizes the loss, even if their mind refuses to admit it. They are confronted with a reality that cannot be manipulated. They cannot steal energy they no longer have access to. You were the conduit they depended on, and without you, their carefully constructed empire of control begins to crumble. The weight of their own hollowness presses down, subtly at first, then unmistakably. Panic, anxiety, frustration, subtle desperation. These are the shadows of a narcissist facing a spiritual reckoning. And here, as the harshest realization of all, they will try to replace you, but it will never work. Nothing can replicate the depth, the insight, the understanding you carried. Nothing can replace the empathy they misused, the attention they exploited, the patience they abused. They will attempt, yes. They will chase, manipulate, and scheme to create another version of what they lost, but all they will find is disappointment. Every imitation will feel hollow. Every connection will feel fragile. Every new conquest will remind them, in some quiet, unbearable way, that you were unique and the power you held cannot be cloned or stolen again. This is the spiritual punishment they unknowingly signed up for. They built their life on energy that was theirs to take, on validation they could earn, on control they could only borrow from someone else. So, losing you forces them to confront the truth they have always feared. They are alone, exposed, and spiritually unprepared to face life without the energy they exploited. And no amount of charm, manipulation, or rage can change this. They are left to navigate a vacuum they created, a hollow world where they are the only ones inhabiting it. Meanwhile, your energy is no longer drained. Your presence returns fully to you. Your mind clears, your heart stabilizes, your life flows forward without interference. They are left spinning in the consequences of their own choices, and for the first time they feel what it is to lose something that truly mattered. The universe does not rush to fix them. It simply balances energy, and they are left to reckon with what they misused, exploited, and ultimately lost. Here is the shift that changes everything. Your energy is sacred, not negotiable. Not something to be borrowed, stolen, or drained. For years, you may have justified giving more than you should, excusing the manipulation, forgiving what was unforgivable, believing your empathy was their entitlement. But losing them or walking away from them is not weakness. It is the first act of spiritual liberation. You were never responsible for their balance. You were never required to supply their validation, fix their chaos, or carry the weight of their hollow world. That burden never belonged to you, and the moment you recognize this, the moment you reclaim your energy, a quiet but powerful transformation begins. Understand this. Your presence is not a tool for someone else. Ego, your mind, your heart, your life, they are yours. Your empathy is a gift, but gifts have boundaries. You have a right to protect yourself. You have a right to withdraw from energy vampires who never valued you, who never gave anything in return, who thrived on your compassion, while leaving nothing behind. And when you stop justifying their emptiness, when you stop trying to fill a hole they never wanted to see, you reclaim a power that cannot be touched. You are no longer participating in their chaos. You are no longer the fuel for their illusions. Your energy flows fully, completely without interference. This is a brutal awakening for both of you. For them, the loss of your energy is a reckoning they cannot avoid. For you, stepping away is a liberation they cannot grant. And the clarity that comes with this liberation is staggering. You realize that being an empath is not a weakness, it is a strength, a power that demands respect, and that thrives when protected. You see that your boundaries are not punishments for them, but shields for yourself. You understand that peace is not passive, it is deliberate, it is active, it is a choice that requires courage to maintain. And here, as the final truth, your liberation is unstoppable. Once you reclaim your energy, once you stop feeding their emptiness, once you recognize the value of your own presence, life starts to flow differently. You begin to attract energy that matches yours, people who respect your boundaries, situations that honor your empathy rather than exploit it. You begin to operate from strength, not fear, from clarity, not chaos, from peace, not the barred drama of someone else, as hello world. You are no longer defined by what they took from you. You are defined by what you protect, what you nurture, and what you refuse to surrender again. This is the spiritual shift they can never force, the freedom they can never steal, and the clarity they will never understand. And the realization that your energy is now fully yours, unborrowed, untainted, unbroken, is the first step in a life where your mind, your heart, and your soul are finally aligned. You are awake. You are aware. You are free. Let this be your final awakening. Stop mourning the loss for them. Stop wasting energy on their emptiness, their manipulation, their games. They will feel the consequences of their own choices. You do not need to teach them, fix them, or even hope they understand. Your task is simple, but it requires relentless clarity and courage. Reclaim every ounce of your energy, protect your soul, and elevate your life. Do not let anyone, especially someone who thrived on your empathy, step back into your life until they prove they deserve it. Boundaries are not optional, they are survival. Your peace is not a favor, it is non-negotiable. The universe has a way of balancing energy, and right now, it is your turn to benefit from the equilibrium. They will flounder in the absence of what they took for granted. They will scramble for control they no longer have. And while they do, you will grow stronger, clearer, and more aligned with your true self. Every step you take away from their chaos is a step closer to your liberation. Every choice to protect your energy is a declaration that your presence is not a tool for others, it is a force for yourself. You are no longer an accessory in someone else. A story? You are the author of your own life. Here is the truth they will never admit and cannot change. They will never recover the energy they drained from you. They will never understand the depth of what they lost. And every desperate attempt they make to regain will only highlight their spiritual emptiness. Meanwhile, you will thrive in ways they cannot imagine. Your mind will be sharper. Your heart will be lighter. Your life will expand into spaces they could never occupy. This is not revenge. This is natural justice. This is the consequence of their own choices, meeting the boundaries you finally enforced. And now you must act. Do not wait. Do not justify, rationalize, or soften your stand. Your life, your energy, and your peace demand it. Cut the ties that no longer serve you. Protect the space you inhabit. Reclaim the light they tried to steal. Align your mind, your body, and your soul with your truth. This is more than survival. It is awakening. It is power. It is clarity. It is freedom. And it is yours if you have the courage to take it. So, here is the final, undeniable reality: they lost you. And that loss is permanent. Their spiritual reckoning is inevitable. Your liberation is unstoppable. Your energy is your own. Protect it, own it, and never give it away again to someone who cannot honor it. This is your victory. This is your awakening. And from this moment forward, nothing can take it from you unless you allow it.